South African Peri Peri pork loin. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, to make our peri peri seasoning, adding in cumin, oregano, turmeric, salt and pepper, rubbing the seasoning onto the pork on all sides just like so. Placing this onto a baking sheet with some butter spray and cooking this at 375 degrees till it reaches 145. Now onto our couscous. We're going to be boiling some water, adding in our couscous package, cooking it just like so. Once it's ready, we're going to let our pork rest and plate time. Serving this tonight with fabulous Loin Chenin Blanc. Profile of a light, crisp, dry wine that is fruit-driven and juicy. Pineapple and winter melon flavors round off with a hint of fresh gooseberries and pure undertones. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye!